How to create Gantt chart in ClickUp. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Gantt chart in ClickUp. If you don't know yet, ClickUp is a work management platform that lets you have a workspace so you can manage all your details, data, and others, including create a Gantt chart for your project. So first, you can open your ClickUp dashboard and then go to your live site. So first you have to choose the workspace you want to create a Gantt chart. If you don't have a workspace yet, you can just click plus icon here in the space to create space, and then you can just name it, and then put the description, and then set the privacy settings, and then you can just click continue. After you create a space, you can just go to your project. So let's say I'm gonna choose, let's say this one, and then yeah, get started. Or maybe, let's see, maybe social media. And then, yeah, I think social media it's good enough. And then, if you want to create a Gantt chart, you can just click view here. So basically, if you see there is overview and then list and then board, and then calendar and then Gantt charts here. But if you don't have the option yet, you can just click view here, and then you will find a lot of option, and there is a Gantt chart here. You can just click it and it will add a Gantt chart tab here. So when you open your project, you can just switch it to from list, board, or others to Gantt charts like that, and it's gonna be very easy. You can also click make it favorite, so it will always on the the main menu, and then you can just pin view and other option here. So I think that's it. It's very easy, right? If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.